Hello student, today we'll focus on excitation table for a flip-flops. Okay, see first what is mean by excitation table. So you know that the truth table of a flip-flop is also referred to as characteristic table, truth table. And during the design process, we know from the transition table, okay, the sequence of state that is transition from each present state to its corresponding next state. From this information, we will find the flip-flop input condition that will cause the required transition for this reason. We need a table that lists the required input for a given change of state. Such table is known as excitation table of the flip-flop. Such table is known as excitation table of a flip-flop. See, I repeat again. We need a table that lists the required input for a given change of state. Such a table is known as excitation table. Okay, if you observe the SR flip-flop now. Okay, so we know that in the SR flip-flop, in the SR flip-flop truth table, if you see, suppose the SR flip-flop truth table, we'll move into the next slide if table is given SR. Okay, so see, these are the SR flip-flop truth table or characteristic table, both 0, then QN. Okay, 0 1 means 0, 1 0 means 1, 1 1 is prohibited. These are your characteristic table or truth table. So for excitation table, we require the Q and Qn plus 1, means whenever the clock pulse is present and whenever the clock pulse will be pass out Qn plus 1. And that what is the input of SR? What is the input of SR? Now see, from this table, if S is 0, R is 0 in that time, so first time we are assuming, suppose the Q is equal to 0. So Q is equal to 0 in that time, you put in this table Q is equal to 0, this one. Okay, so if you put the 0 at that time, this here in this table, these two row, first and second row, both are output is 0. Then in that time, what is the input? S is 0, both are 0, and but R is here is 0 and here is 1. Here is 0 and here is 1. So can you say that because whenever you consider the Q is equal to 0, then at that time the flip-flop input S equal to 0 and R is don't care. Don't care means what? If you consider 1 or 0, still output is 0. See, in the second case, if you consider the Q is equal to 1 now, Q is equal to 1, then Q is equal to 1, so here and here, first and third row having the 1 1, right? First and third having the 1. So whenever S value in that case, what will happen? S is don't care condition and R is 0. R is 0. See, both 1, S, R, both is equal to 1. Okay, at that time it is don't care condition. Means Q, when Q will be 1, here is 1, here is 1. Qn plus 1 is 1 and Qn is 1. Qn is 1 and Qn plus 1 is again 1. These two cases, the last row. Okay, so both 1 in that time, what to say? So in that case S is don't care condition, but R is R again, R is 0. See, here is and here is both 0, first and third row, right? So that's why we write the 0. So in this way we have to find out the excitation table. Okay, for requirement is what? We have required a characteristic table, and by referring characteristic table we are finding the excitation table. So similarly we can find out the excitation table for the JK, D and T. Okay, we'll repeat again for remaining these two row. Okay, so here Q0 and Qn plus 1 is 1. Okay, so here putting the value of Qn is equal to 0 and expected is what? Qn plus 1 is 1. So if you put the 0 here and then Qn plus 1 in this column, only this location having the 1. So at that time, what is the value of S? 1 and 0. So we are writing the 1 and 0. Now see, in the third case, 1 and 0 means Q equal to, we are putting the value is 1 and Qn plus 1 expected is 0. If you put the 1, then in second row only the value of Qn plus 1 is 0. So at that time input of SR is equal to 0 and 1. So we write 0 and 1. Okay, so again we'll say q, we are putting the q is equal to 1 in last case, q is equal to 1 we are putting, and qn plus 1 is expected 1. So when it is 1 for the first row and third row, so see proportionally input in the first row and third row, s is 0 and 1, so don't care condition, and r here is 0 and here is 0, so that's why we can mark as a 0. So like this one, excitation is given. Again first row we can see again one time. Q is equal to 0. So we write the here Q is equal to 0. Expected is what? Qn plus 1 is again 0. So it is 0. So see, when it is 0, second row is again the Qn plus 1 is 0. So we have to find out the input of SR. So SR first and second row, S is value is 0, but R is 0 and 1. So don't care. So S is 0 and R is don't care again. So like this one, we are finding the inputs of the respective flip-flop. Same way we can try to find for the JK, then D and T. But we require is what? Characteristic table, also called as is truth table. Truth